guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to make my Wix website load faster. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with your Wix website here and it's loading pretty slowly here, or in this case it's frustrating that you see your website and it's loading improperly, well in this case there is something that you could actually do here. So first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your interconnection is not a problem. So typically speaking, like for example, if your interconnection is a slow or it has a slow connection, typically it might be the culprit here. So it might be a problem on your end. But if you're getting like in this case complaints from other people, it's loading for you slowly, first just make sure that it's not your interconnection. But then again, if other people are actually complaining that it's loading pretty slowly, well in this case again there's still something that you could do here. Well, in this case, what you could do is you wanna basically mind your assets. So we all know that assets like images or videos is something really important on your website to attract potential customers or visitors for your website. So in this case, let's go and access our website builder here. Let's go and click on edit site at the top right. And what you could do here is you want to, again, mind your assets. So, for example, if you use images that is outside from Wix here, typically speaking, if they have like high resolution, like 4K, or if you have videos, upload videos here, that is around like 10 gigabyte of data, well unfortunately that would actually and also affect the performance of your Wix website. So for example, you have this section here. So I have this background, I have this image in here. So let's go and click on change background here. Now you can go to settings and you can go ahead and change a few things, but let's go and change our background itself. Let's go and click on image. So if you change the image that you have right now, like for example, you upload your own media, you set that up as the background itself, again, you need to mind how big the actual file is. So for example, if you have an image that is around like 500 megabyte, so that's pretty big for a photo, which is not ideal for a photo or a photo that you'll be using on a background. Typically speaking, you need to reduce the amount of data your image would consume. So in that case, you need to compress that image, because again, if the bigger the file you have for that image, the slowly it will load, especially for people who doesn't have that much internet, so not much speed on their internet, so reducing the size can actually help. So in this case, you might want to look for an image compressor that you could use. Now, in this case, I can't, recommend a specific website that you could visit here, but you could try the following platforms here. Just type in image compressor on Google here, and there are going to be a bunch of websites that you could try here. So personally, I tried like TinyPNG here, but then again, I try different websites out there, so you could go ahead and do that. And from then on, you could go and reduce or compress your image. So then again, it compresses the actual image. So for example, you have like 20 megabyte of image, it will compress it at like 50%. So that would help a lot on your website. Now, same thing for videos. So if you have a video that is around like let's just say like around 50 megabyte of data, so that would affect the performance of your website. So reducing the amount or the amount of space it actually take can solve a lot of issues for your performance. So instead of searching for image compressors, so you just type in video compressor here. There are going to be a lot of websites out there, and by the way, you might lose some form of quality in this one, so make sure to set up your own like what quality. So as you can see, you can set up your codecs here, compression method, and how much or the target size that you want to basically reduce. So you could go and specify those, so depending on your website. But yeah, so in this case, basically speaking, the thing that you do here for your Wix website is just basically reduce the data that your assets acquire or they currently take up on your website. So the more you use assets, the more images you use here, the more it will take your website to load up. So reducing the quality or sometimes just compressing them can help a lot with you or with other people accessing. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.